So you got parts laying everywhere, you've spent all your money, and you think there's no way this is getting done. You're getting burned out. Let me show you what causes that and how to push through so that you can finish your build. Welcome to Garage Talk. Ever look at your project and think, man, there's no way I'm getting this finished? I get it. Long builds can totally mess with your head. Today, I'll go over 3 things that can kill your momentum and how to avoid burning out on your build. So you start out hyped, full of ideas. Then somewhere between the third part going on back order and an unexpected bill popping up, the motivation just disappears. But here's the thing. It's not about building it fast. It's about keeping the momentum alive long enough to actually finish it and enjoying it along the way. I've been there. Even with my own truck, I wanted to do suspension, paint, interior, an engine swap, the works. But I learned quickly that if you try to do everything at once, it'll just eat you alive. So I started focusing on one project at a time. Got the suspension done? Cool, enjoy it. Take it to a car show, or just go out and drive it around. Taking the time to enjoy it is what keeps you from burning out. That's the key here, breaking a full build into small projects. Because let's be honest, most of us have full-time jobs, bills to pay, and families. We're not full-time builders with unlimited budgets. That's what makes this so fun. Every small win, every weekend project, that's progress, and that's what keeps us going. You don't need a finished build to enjoy it. You just need something that's yours that you can keep making better one piece at a time. Now let's get into the 3 things that can kill your focus. Number 3 might surprise you. The first thing killing focus might be budget burnout. Money gets tight, then suddenly you're stuck waiting for your next check so you can order more parts. But here's what I've learned. Use that downtime. Clean up the garage, plan your next steps, or just go to a local car show. Being around other builders keeps you motivated. Which leads us to number 2, motivational dips. These happen. How do you cure them? Join social media groups, or go to local car shows and talk to other builders. 9 times out of 10, you'll come back home ready to wrench again. The third and final focus killer is perfection paralysis. You want everything to be perfect, so you never move forward. Don't do that to yourself. Just do the best with what you have now. You'll get better with each small project. Listen, I'm just a normal guy that likes to build cool stuff. I've messed up, I've had to redo things, and I'm always learning as I go. You don't need a perfect build, you just need progress. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one small thing this weekend that gets you one step closer and do it. Maybe it's cleaning up wiring, installing a new part, or maybe just wash it and take it for a drive. Celebrate that progress because that's what keeps projects alive. If you're in the middle of a build, don't give up. We're all learning one busted knuckle and one late night at a time. I hope this helps you get through that burnout phase and finish your project. Hit that subscribe button and share what you're working on in the comments below. Now get out there and build something cool.